Good morning, UNC Charlotte. Meteorologist Jacob Durham here with your forecast. Have some cloud cover as well as patchy fog this morning with areas of patchy drizzle. Temperature is currently 72 degrees with a dew point of 70, so it's very muggy and oppressive outside. You'll definitely feel it as you head out the door. Today's weather highlights: we have afternoon showers and thunderstorms with a stalled front off to the west, as well as we're tracking Florence and the potential impacts that it has on the Charlotte region as we move into the Thursday night, Friday timeframe, especially through the weekend. University has canceled all classes through the rest of the week. We will not be in studio, but we will be able to provide weather updates throughout the week. If you're off to class around 9 a.m., 72 degrees will be your temperature. High of 86 degrees today with that 40% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. IR visible satellite imagery shows a stalled front back here to the west through Tennessee, the Ohio Valley region down into Missouri, as well as Louisiana. And you can see Hurricane Florence here moving off to the west-northwest and beginning to have some of this outer outflow reach the coast of North Carolina and South Carolina. And we'll take a look closer a little bit later on. The Atlantic Basin's very busy right now. We got Hurricane Florence here that's going to impact the East Coast, as well as Tropical Storm Isaac, which is moving off to the west towards the Lesser Antilles and will impact them as we move through the week. Hurricane Helene here will move off to the north, and as well as a tropical disturbance they're monitoring. They're giving about a 50% chance, but it won't impact the East Coast or land. However, down into the Gulf of Mexico, we also have another tropical disturbance which has about a 60% chance will bring heavy rain into the Texas coastline, so that could be causing flooding into that region. Hurricane Florence has 130 mile an hour winds. It's moving to the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour with a pressure of 946 millibars. So it's a very healthy storm. This is nothing to take lightly. Make sure you are prepared here in the Charlotte region with the hurricane preparedness kit. And prepare for the worst, but hope for the best. IR imagery of up close of Hurricane Florence. You can see the nice symmetrical eye with the deep convection around the eye wall itself with the nice outflow boundaries around. So it's a very healthy storm and powerful storm. Do take those necessary precautions. National Hurricane Center has it a major hurricane all the way through Friday around 2 a.m. before it makes landfall around the North Carolina-South Carolina border. So if you're anywhere within 100 miles or so of the North Carolina-South Carolina border, do take the precautions and listen to what the government's telling you. If you're evacuated, do take that very seriously. However, as you can see, it does slow down tremendously, which is what's going to impact Charlotte the most. All the rain will be to the north side of the system, which will bring the heavy rainfall axis right here into the Charlotte region, as well as some of those stronger winds in the northeast quadrant. Charlotte's impacts: strong winds will arrive Thursday night into Friday. That heavy flooding rain will really begin to take place Friday and then through the weekend, as well as some power outages and downed trees. 7-day first alert forecast: 86 degrees Wednesday, 88 as we head into Thursday, with only that small 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. More sunshine for tomorrow. But Friday, Saturday, Sunday, our eyes turn to the tropics with Florence making its appearance with about a 50% chance each day with those heavy flooding rains. Monday, 50% chances. The impacts are still being felt, and Tuesday only about a 40%. Have a great day, Niners.